So why does God allow difficulties? Why does he allow these? Because they disprove collusion. The critics oftentimes will talk about the four gospels, and they'll say, well, some of the biblical writers, some of these early apostles, they were just kind of getting together. They were making up this story about certain things about the resurrection. And so they got together and said, let's make sure we get our story straight. Well, let me ask you this question. If you were on a jury and you heard four witnesses come to the stand and all four of them said the exact same thing in the same order using the same terminology, do you think you would trust them, or do you think you'd have a really good reason to be skeptical? You'd have a really good reason to be skeptical. You'd assume that somebody coached them on what to say rather than they're just telling you what they saw. And that's what we see in the Gospels, is that you have four accounts of the same events, and oftentimes they're told from different perspectives, or they're highlighting different elements of what was going on. And when you put them together, you see that they fit together just fine. Number two, they force us to study.